With AI-powered solutions, are you ready to propel your company forward? Imagine having a website or software that not only enhances your operations, but also gives you a competitive edge in today's fast-paced digital world. This is your opportunity to make that a reality. I'm excited to share a professional gig where a highly skilled freelancer specializes in creating custom AI-driven websites and software. These aren't just ordinary tools. They are strategic solutions designed to streamline your operations, improve user engagement, and help your business thrive. Here's what makes this service stand out. First, you'll receive tailored AI solutions built specifically to meet the unique needs of your business and industry. The designs are professional and functional with intuitive interfaces that ensure a seamless user experience. Advanced automation is also part of the package, helping you eliminate repetitive tasks so you can focus on growing your business. Plus, the solutions integrate flawlessly with your existing systems. And the best part? All of this is offered at a cost-effective price, making cutting-edge AI technology accessible to businesses of all sizes. Whether you're looking for an AI chatbot, a recommendation system, or a responsive website that adapts to user behavior, this freelancer delivers exceptional results. Their track record includes successful projects and satisfied clients across various industries. From startups to established businesses, they've consistently provided high-quality solutions that exceed expectations. Don't miss the chance to leverage the power of AI for your business. Click the link below to learn more about this gig and hire a top-rated freelancer to develop your AI-powered website or software today. Your journey to smarter, more efficient operations starts right here.